if we do survive, we hope to survive in our current format, but if not, we may have to sell things and be a small tiny little group how we started. So watch this space, everybody, and we'll keep you all informed on our socials. That's at the minute is all I can say, because I don't know what tomorrow brings, let alone the rest of our trustees and committee. So thanks very much for this evening. It's meant a lot to me and Anita and the bands for everybody to turn up, and just shows that I've got some really good support out there, which is nice and cherishing for me. I haven't wasted a lot of money on now. So everybody's free to go, so thank you very much for turning out and having a nice tea.
Thank you very much.